Tulip was recognized as a challenger on the Gartner Magic Quadrant for MES. The thing is about Tulip is that we're not actually an MES, but rather a platform for innovators to use to solve problems and build solutions that augment or replace MES functionality. These innovators are helping us define and create what we believe is the future of MES.
The charter of our team is to explore new solutions, and Tulip was one of those solutions that really spoke to a lot of the pain points that we were seeing in our end users, in our plants, and our distribution centers.
One of the things I really enjoy about Tulip is their open platform. I often talk to my engineering group about the limitation isn't in the software, but it's really in your imagination.
Da kommen plötzlich Anwendungen oder technologische Lösungen hervor, von denen hat man vorher nicht geträumt. Aber es zeigt einfach auch, was Tulip als Tool ermöglichen kann und die Kreativität einfach in der Organisation freisetzen kann.
What I love about Tulip is it's really a blank canvas. It has a lot of flexibility, gives us the opportunity to implement it almost anywhere in our facility.
We like to fail fast, we like to move fast, but it's really key to be able to measure those tweaks that we make and make sure that we're making the right decisions and going in the right direction.
Tulip helps us develop products more quickly, and then they allow us to develop a cleaner process and streamline the information flow, the communication, and how we build the product.
We see the Tulip use cases growing. Once people kind of see one solution on Tulip, we really see it organically grow within that site. People realize, oh, I could use Tulip for this, I could use Tulip for this as well.
Tulip has helped Mac improve our operations by providing us with real-time analytics, where we can use cameras and IoT to further help with that process.
Now, looking at some of the tools that we've created with Tulip, we've digitized the entire process, and that allows us to be very scalable as a business.